Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this delicious sticky salmon. So first I have prepared my salmon with some vinegar and some lime. And now I'll be making my simple marinade with some dark soy sauce, some honey and some garlic. Then I give all of the ingredients a really good mix. Line a baking tray and place your salmon fillets onto the baking tray. Sprinkle over some fish seasoning and some chili flakes. Add the seasonings to your salmon at every single angle possible and pat the seasoning into your fish. Once you've done this, you can drizzle over some olive oil and this will help the salmon to crisp up. Now you can pour over that marinade that we made earlier on. Bake in an oven for 15 minutes on 180 degrees. I've lined my baking tray with some baking paper or parchment paper. Halfway through cooking, I've basted my salmon to keep it nice and moist. And this is the final product, some really delicious, sticky and sweet salmon that you can have with rice, potatoes or even noodles. Such an easy recipe that you can prepare under 20 minutes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!